Welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're going to be drawing a butterfly.
Yay!
Are you excited?
Yeah!
It's going to be super easy and quick, so come join us. Alrighty, let's get started with the butterfly. Are you excited?
Yay!
Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the head of the butterfly. So what we're going to do is, in the middle, we're going to draw a circle. So I'm just going to show you. We're just going to draw a nice circle. Somewhat big, somewhat not. Nice size circle.
That kind of looks like you a little bit. Right here?
Yeah. Good job. And then we're going to continue with the body. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw like a U shape. We're going to come here on the side of the head. And then go down. And move it back up to the head.
Ooh. Wow. This is kind of going to be hard.
Yeah, you can hold your paper too so it doesn't move. And then we'll do one more at the bottom. So we'll do the same U shape at the bottom. We're going to go around and then we're going to connect it to the body.
I did he said like this.
Okay, and then to make it easier, we'll just draw the rest of the details on the body. So what we could do is we could draw a nice big smiley face.
Yay!
So
this is
cute.
It's also like the letter U. A lot of U's.
Yeah.
And then we're going to draw two big eyes. So two round circles.
Yeah, two round circles. And I'm going to do the details on these eyes.
Yeah, we could do that after. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add details to the body. So we could draw arms for the little butterfly.
It kind of looks like.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw a little loop like this. And then come back to the body. That's one arm.
Body.
Amazing!
And then we're going to do the other arm, which we're going to loop down and bring it back into the body. And then for the rest of the body, we're going to draw like its the little lines that come on its body. And then we're just going to draw loops like this all down the body. So there's one, and then we're just continuing. 2, 3, and I might add 1. Good job. I love it already. And then from this end of the body, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the wings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come out and make a big loop. So I'll show you. I'm going to come from this bottom.
That's nice.
And then everything's going to be the same. Everything's going to be symmetrical, which means whatever we do on one side, we're going to do on the other side. Almost like a mirror. And then we're going to do the same thing. So I'm going to draw the same wing on this side. You could do it too, Mommy. You could draw the same wing here on this side.
Yours is so beautiful.
Oh, so is yours. You're doing such a great job. There we have 2 wings. This one came down a little more, but that's okay. And then we're going to draw the 2 upper wings. So what we're going to do is from the side of the head, where I'm going to draw a little dot, just so I know what I'm doing. I'll draw one here, and then I'll come across, and I'll draw one right here. We're going to draw 2 bigger wings, so we're going to come up and down to the body. I'll show you.
Whoa!
Good job. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to come up and out.
Up and out. Up and out, up and out. Here comes the little butterflies coming to town. Like that one?
You do.
Ooh.
So there we have it. We could start adding the details. So we could start adding loops or lines in the middle so it looks more exotic, more pretty. What we could do is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line like this. I'm going to come out. I'm going to copy the wing. And then I'm going to come down.
Guess what you forgot
Somewhere
about?
over here.
You forgot about something. You forgot the little ears.
Yeah, I was going to do it after, but we could do that right now. So what we're going to do is I'm going to draw the antennas. I was going to leave that for last. And then I'm going to draw a little swirl. Then I'll do the same thing on this side. I'm going to come up and I'll draw a little swirl.
That's so cool.
Look at that.
And then, yeah, we could continue adding details. You saw how I did that line. You could try to do that line too if you want.
Okay.
I'll do it on the other side.
Super.
Alright, so we both drew the loop, and then we're going to do one more on this side just so we could copy it. And we're going to come from here, and we're going to go out, then we'll do some at the bottom as well. Right at the bottom of this line. So I started from this point, and I started at this point. Or ended at that point. Good job, look at that. That's perfect. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side, okay? Good job. And then I'm just gonna do one more.
Okay.
It is so beautiful, you're doing a great job. And then I'm gonna add more details. So I'm gonna draw little circles, and then that I'm gonna color in later. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a big one right here to begin with. This is gonna be my biggest one. Then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side, another circle.
Yes.
And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys just one side of the butterfly, and then we could fast forward the other side, just so it's not really repetitive. So I'm gonna draw 2 smaller circles here.
Wow.
That's it for this wing, and then for the bottom wing, I'm gonna copy the same design. So I'm gonna draw a big circle here. We're gonna copy what we did on this side to this side.
Great.
And the last thing we're gonna do before we start coloring is just add details to the eye. So we're gonna draw 2 little swooshes, 2 little half circles, and we'll draw one like that, and then we'll draw, you could do it. Good job. And then we'll do the same thing to the other eye. So we'll draw a little half circle.
Little half circle.
And there we have it. We have our butterflies.
Yay!
Now we can color them in, and you guys could use whatever colors you want. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna make mine super colorful. Are you gonna make yours super colorful?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's get started, guys. So there we have it. Here are butterflies. Look at yours. I love the color you picked. I went for a more colorful butterfly.
Amazing.
But they're both super cute, and it was super easy. You had fun?
Yeah. I don't know which one to pick. What's my favorite?
Oh, they're both my favorite. All right, guys. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.